Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today I'm breaking down what the TLIFE app is and showing you exactly how to use it to manage your T-Mobile services in one place. TLIFE is T-Mobile's new all-in-one app designed to replace several older apps like T-Mobile Tuesdays, the T-Mobile account app, and Sync Up. It's now the main hub for everything T-Mobile, managing your plan, redeeming perks, paying your bill, adding a line, accessing support, and even managing connected devices. Now to get started, first go to the App Store, then search TLIFE on your search bar at the top of the page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that. Once you're in, you'll find the install button right there, so tap on install and then open up your app. Once opened, log in with the T-Mobile ID and password. Then inside the app, you'll see the home tabs. This is your main dashboard. You can see your plans, Magneto status, perks, T-Mobile Tuesdays deal, and device shortcuts. Now to manage your account, tap on account at the bottom of the page on your right. So tap on the manage tab right here to pay your bill, view or change your plan, upgrade or add a line. For the benefit and rewards section, go to the benefit tab on your bottom of the page. So tap on benefits and you can claim weekly T-Mobile Tuesday freebies, access discounts on food, travel, shopping and entertainment. For devices and services, go to the locate sections besides your benefit tab. So tap on your locate to manage sync up devices like its smartwatches, card trackers or home internet. You can also view connected devices and control settings. Tap support for help, chat with T-Mobile support, access Scam Shield, account security and FAQs. Then allow push notifications to get alerts about deals or service updates. And that is all about TLIFE app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.